Hi Sandra, if today is your first time here, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today is Tuesday, 1st of October that I'm actually filming this video, and I'm just coming back from the supermarket. I needed grocery. Okay, not that the home is dried, but I needed like to get some few items that that I don't have anymore. My sister-in-law is also coming to pay me a visit. I needed to get some, fill the home with the things that I don't have anymore. Basically, I'm just going to be showing you guys what I got and how much they cost me. Things are a little bit expensive now because I saw some items that they have started putting prices on top, like $1, 50 something, on top. I was like, oh, things are like a little bit expensive. So these are everything that I got. Here's my ticket, and you guys can see the price there, $260 or euro, and this is what they gifted us, just this €4 after this a whole amount of money that we spent. I don't even know where I'm going to be starting from, so I'm going to be starting maybe from this bag. We got 2 of Coca-Cola, 1 Fanta, and Schweppes, and 1 of this original. We love to just have drinks in our fridge in case of visitor. I got apple juice. Yeah, I got the big one. We love taking apple juice, especially for breakfast. Orange juice. I also took 1 packet of Capri Sun for Princess, and also this other juice as well. Priscilla loves this fruit juice so much, and it's easy for her to open, especially when she's going to school. I love putting this in a lunch box. It's also easy for children to open. Yeah, just drag it up here and then she drinks. It's very easy, and that is why I love taking this. She even prefer this type more than Capri Sun because at times she found it very difficult to open the mouth of this Capri Sun. I got 1 big vegetable oil, to make some stew and also to make some French fries. I took 2 bottles of olive oil, so they were doing promo, and then I took 2, and also I took latte milk. This is one of the milk that we love taking in the morning, especially for breakfast. I took 2 of this. In fact, you got like 8 bottles. I think I got this milk for around $7 or so. I took 2 of this long rice. Yeah, easy to make and no stress. And I got this chicken as well. This is big. I love Chafo chicken so much, like it's very nice. I got another chicken as well. Oh my god, this one was broken here. I didn't even notice. I think because the way I was carrying them. I got this chicken for $16.95, and it's very heavy. It's very heavy and it's much inside. I'm just also going to be watching this and putting it on the freezer. I got 1 chicken from Aldi, and trust me, I regret buying that chicken because that chicken was, it wasn't even giving me that taste that I really love. I don't like Aldi chicken. Mozzarella for salad. 2 of this pack. They were doing promo in this one, and I took 2 of this, and then I took some yogurt, some fruit yogurt, strawberry. I took another one of natural yogurt. Yeah, this is one of my favorite. It doesn't have sugar, and I love taking this one like that. And then here I got spaghetti, some parts. I took 4 of this type and 2 of this type. If you ask me, parts or pasta is one of my family favorite. I also got this type of panini or pani pasta. So I took 4 spaghetti, 2 in my hands and 2 right there. And then I got 1 bag of potatoes. I also got this long rice. Trust me, this long rice is very nice. I took 4 of the rice. Yeah, I'm gonna open this and put inside my plastic. I took onion, some tuna. Yeah, natural one. Easy fast food for pasta. And then I got eggs. This is 15 inside. We got 15 inside for around $4. I got another part, a little part for baby girl, and then I got some ketchup, Algerian. I love Algerian sauce, you guys. I don't know, but Algerian sauce is one of my favorites, especially when you are in it for your chicken or for your meat or sauces. If you haven't tried it, try this chicken breast, yeah, for salad. I took 3 of these sauces. I took 1 Red Bull energy drink for myself. I don't really take Red Bull, but you know, once in a while. Took 2 of these bolognese. So I really love to make my bolognese sauce by myself because I'm very good in that. Trust me, I'm very good when it comes to bolognese sauce. Obi have taught me that, and then I love making bolognese sauce by myself because, you know, it just gives you that fresh flavor and all that. But I basically took this one because at times we can be lazy. You can be so lazy that you don't want to stress yourself. So that is the reason why you just open this one and put to your pasta. I have some mushroom, so I got 2 small ones. Yeah, this is it right here. I got 2 of this, and then I take green beans. In French they call it haricots verts. So I took 2 of haricots verts. I love green beans like this. I love green beans with some potatoes and some, you know, roasted chicken or roasted meat. I took some tomato paste, 2 of this roll. I also took this for our creamy pasta at times. Took 3 of this, yeah, 3 of this for our pasta. I have heavy cream right here. I took 3 big ones and 2 small ones. I took some chicken with spices, tender. It's very nice. I took 1 of this one as well. And then we got some parmesan, which is cheese, and I love parmesan. We love parmesan, especially. There's no creamy sauce without parmesan. Yeah, I took 2 of this one, and 1 of this one. I took also black pepper, the blended one, and the one that is not, you know, the seed pepper, and paprika. Got butter, yeah. And for the laundry, I took 1 of extra total. So I also took dishwasher, 2 of these because they were doing promo as well. I took 1 area. I took 1 of this big one as well, and then I took this other type. So basically these are all the things that we got for about 260. Let me know in the comment section if it's worth it, which is about Nigerian money $443. Yeah, at the rate at the moment. Did you guys see? Because when I get home, I was like asking myself, what did I buy? Did you agree with me that food stuff is one of the things that take money from us all the time? Yeah, because I was wondering, like, what did I buy? What did I buy for this amount now? Hi guys, so basically we're outside. Let me show you guys around. This is how my area is. Very quiet. This place look like GROA. You see? Oh Jesus, this place basically look like GROA. Very quiet. When it's 7 now, you will not see anybody outside again. Everywhere looks so quiet. So right now I'm basically going to the pharmacy. I'm going to get our body cream that we don't have anymore. But before we head to the pharmacy, I'm going to stop by at my bank right here. I'm going to be putting money into my account because my account is red already. It's red, and we need to put money inside to take off the red. Let's go in and add some money. France, now also money that they take from you. Hey guys, I forgot my phone at home. I don't know my password off head though. Anyway, I'll go to pharmacy and I'll do this one after. I will buy the stuff from the pharmacy and then maybe I'll come back later. Oh God, I wanted to just do this thing once and for all. I said I always forget myself. One day I go forget my leg for outside. I go forget one of my leg for outside. I took my camera and then I left my phone at home. I don't know how come. So guys, we are inside the pharmacy. We are looking for Priscilla cream. Okay, yeah, I found one cream for Priscilla. Now we are going to look for a multivitamin, you guys. Okay, just right here. Normally I do use this type, but I'm trying to look for something else. I like changing. Okay, maybe we'll take this one. Okay, so I'm thinking of taking this one. I want to see if it had like vitamin D and everything. Vitamin A, vitamin C, D, E, B1, B2. Okay, I think this one is also perfect. This is the reason why I did not film this video since morning. Anyways, I've been so tired, and also because of this noise. I don't know, I think they are doing maybe work in the other side. Did you guys hear that? So I have I wanted to show you guys what I got from the pharmacy yesterday. I was not able to buy my own cream, and maybe probably tomorrow, or I don't know, maybe tomorrow or after tomorrow, until when I have the chance. So but I was able to get what is this? But I was able to get Priscilla cream. So this is the type of cream that I'm using. It is called Mustela body lotion, and it's very, very good on our skin, guys, because you know the weather is also changing now, and it's not the same cream what I'm using for winter that I'm using for summer. I don't know why this thing is dark. I don't know why it's dark. Did I press something? Anyways, guys, if you have a toddler that is not eating, you don't even need to shout. Just go and buy this multivitamin. Okay, this is the type of the multivitamin that I'm using for Priscilla, because I am just tired of screaming like all the time. Can you go and eat your food? Please go and eat. Go. I'm tired. It's a gum, and it's very, very good for her. I don't scream anymore like go and eat. I have two types that I'm using. I also use this type as well, but she preferred this one because this one is gum and this one is tablet. So she doesn't like anything tablet. That is why you can see this one, I still have a little bit inside, but she said she doesn't like it, so because it's a tablet, and that is why I want to switch to this gum. It's like strawberry, and it's very, very nice. You know, she loves it, and it's helping her, you guys. It's helping her. If you have any toddler that you are struggling with food, just go and get one multivitamin, and you will not regret it, because this one is actually helping. Priscilla, come and take. I will give you this one.
That was
this one. You want this one? She literally loves this gum multivitamin, and it helps her so well. Like, I'm not screaming like anymore. Go and eat again. Immediately she eat this one or more, she go to find food by herself. Hey, I got this multi sauce. I still have the one that I got last time. I still have, but I found out that I needed more, so I was so excited when I saw this one when I was coming, and I'm just gonna keep it at home with the other one what I have, and it's gonna last me for a long time. Like this, I'm not gonna stress anymore. And yeah, you guys, I'm just thinking like, what should I cook? My head is hot. I don't want to ask Priscilla, and I don't want to also ask her dad what should I cook, because they are going to say that they want spaghetti pasta, and I don't want spaghetti pasta, you guys. I'm tired of pasta. I'm tired of rice. Okay, I'm also tired of potato. I'm tired of semolina, because semo or pounded yam or semo is even out of the list, because I don't even know when I ate that. I'm going to be posting. I think that I'm going to be posting like every Tuesday from now. I'm gonna stable, like trying to drop one video every Tuesday. Support your girl, help me to share the video. It kind of help encourage me to, you know, to always drop a video for you. I think YouTube pushes more video to viewers, to a lot of people, when you guys watch from the first 1 hour or 2 hours, or maybe the first day. And whenever I post video, if you guys can please I don't know how to put it, if you guys can literally just watch the video from the day, I mean from the very first hour or two that I posted the video. It's kind of, you know, help my video like this. YouTube can push my video to a lot of viewers, so that other people can be able to see my channel as well. I will really appreciate you guys if you can just help me, like the first 1 hour or 2 hours that I post, just help me like to watch it when you're on YouTube. I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video so far, and I will be seeing you guys in our next video. I love you and bye.